Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me today. So when I first started this journey on building my own business, I didn't really explain what my channel is about, what my business is, and what is it that I do. So what is HvX Focus? Essentially, it's just me. And like many of you guys, I'm just trying to make it in this world, especially in a world when you become your own boss from the comfort of your own home. And yes, it may be a pipe dream to some people, but it's my dream. And I want to make that dream a reality. But it's not all talk. There's a method to the madness. With some focus, dedication, patience, and willingness to learn and innovate, dreams can come true, and it could be true for you as well, if you're willing. With that said, what is it you'll find here? You'll find step-by-step tutorials and reviews on how to build your online business, all the way from deciding on the business, growing the business, and to diversifying your business. Does that sound familiar? It should, because you can find thousands of videos talking about the exact same thing. And I can't tell you how many videos and articles that I scoured through when I first started. And I found tons of those 5 steps or step-by-step guides to build your business. And yeah, there are probably some valid steps out there. But how? How do you do these steps? Some of them are just a waste of my time. And hey, I don't hate on that. I mean, they are getting views and people like that sort of thing. But here's what makes me different. I'm not someone that's high up there and giving you advice. There's nothing wrong with that, and there's some solid information out there. And I think people are misinterpreting what step-by-step really means, and I wanted to fill that step-by-step gap. I wanted to show you guys the how part of those types of guides that were so hard for me to find when I just first started. And I figured if I ran into those types of issues, I'm sure others have too. And I'm a firm believer that the best way to learn is by example. And that's why I've documented my entire journey on my website. Every month, I like to take a step back to evaluate what I've done to grow my business, from looking at the analytics, expenses, issues that I ran into, and steps I've taken to grow, and how much money I've made during that time. And this really helps me plan out my next steps in my journey. And it's all there for you guys to view on my website under the business update categories. And I'm not saying that I'm the smartest guy, nor do I claim to know everything. So if I can do it, then so can you. My goal here is to show you guys that these goals are possible and provide you guys validation on how you can get there too. Is my way the only way? Absolutely not. But I want to give you guys a good starting point and inspire you to pursue this type of endeavor. So right now at this very moment, I am in the exact same shoes as you are, and I would like to invite you guys to join me on my journey to find financial freedom so that you can duplicate it for yourself and find your freedom. So join me and let's grow together. As always, thanks for watching me, even though this was a bit of a rant. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, don't stop innovating.